Is Apple Pay giving you the cold shoulder and refusing to accept your card? Don't stress, because in the next minute and a half, we're going to diagnose and fix that pesky problem. First, let's make sure you're following the basics. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus sign, usually located in the upper right corner. To add a card, choose debit or credit card. You can either use your iPhone camera to scan your card, which is usually the easiest way, or you can manually enter your card details. Double check that every single digit is correct. Even a tiny typo will cause it to fail. Now, let's talk tech. Make sure your iPhone has the latest version of iOS. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Another simple fix is to check your region settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Language and Region. Make sure your region is set correctly, as this can sometimes interfere with payment processing. Still no luck? It might be time to contact your bank or card issuer. Sometimes they'll block Apple Pay transactions if they suspect fraudulent activity, or if there are specific restrictions on your card. A quick call can clear things up. As a last resort, while you're troubleshooting, consider using alternative payment methods like PayPal or other digital wallets. They can be a handy backup until you get Apple Pay working again. And that's it. With these tips, you should be well on your way to fixing those Apple Pay card adding issues and enjoying secure mobile payments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.